I think we're coming towards the end of this case. I think we're gonna get a confession from Atishon. Yeah, Phoenix has to defend you, but he also has to find the truth. Yes! Phoenix has a commitment to justice because he's a lawyer with an awesome hairdo. Yeah, blackmailing your lawyer is very evil, Mr. Atishon. And thanks, Apollo. Thanks for revealing the truth. Thanks for setting Phoenix back on the right path. And yeah, Phoenix resigned. Good job, Phoenix. Good job. Yeah, I like seeing Phoenix take the high road out of this, rather than defend a murderer to the death. And Atishon is very much obsessed with that nameplate. What? No, you're supposed to confess here. This is the point where you confess and we end the case, we go home happy, get some cheeseburgers. Yeah, you could have wiped your fingerprints off, or you could have worn gloves. Different angle. Okay, so is there nothing... Well, we've got the spilled coffee, right? Isn't that evidence? Okay, we need some different evidence. The killer pushed the suitcase there. Well, we do have the testimony from Sarge. Yeah, let's present the testimony that she gave us during the brief recess. Okay, well, oh no, do not fall on me, game. Do not fall on me. It's a statement from Armie, Sarge. What do I call her? Sarge? Armie Buff? Oh, let's go with Armie. Yeah, so she was in that location, but somebody moved her out of the way. Oh, Apollo's calling her Sarge. Apollo, you can't, like, switch between the two names. No, I'll never know which name to use. Ah. Looks like we scored a point. Good. Whoa. Paul, are your fingerprints on the wheelchair handle? Alrighty, okay. Are you gonna confess now, Paul? Your Honor, the defense's final piece of evidence is on this person. Well, obviously, it is Armie. Obviously. It's on her chair. I don't think we can come up with another reason for why he would have been touching her wheelchair. And we do know that she has not left her room at any point. So... yeah. Yeah, this sounds like conclusive evidence to me. Yeah. The podium's all yours. Do you think you can explain? Yeah, this is confession time. It's a confession time. I'm not a crook! I'm not a crook, I tell you I'm not! Uh-oh. Election results. What? What? Why are they shouting bonsai? Apparently this is how elections are done in Japan. I learned something today. All right. Gained a little cultural knowledge. Elections in Japan involve dancing at results. Cool. All right. Well, this was an unexpected turn of events. In light of everything that's been revealed, well, it's the Founder's Orb, all right. Wait, why is he a suspect in a murder? He should be arrested for murder. He's clearly the culprit. Aw, thanks, Phoenix. Maybe you could give me a raise, boss. Hey, I'm not that happy with you, Apollo. Ah, darn it.
A dragon never yields.
Yeah, and you know, Dirk did help a little bit. Gave Apollo that little pep talk. Good for him. Even if Dirk was kind of self-interested because he gets this super cool artifact as a result of this case being resolved. Yay! Woo! Transfer of property! Transfer of property! Hooray! Hooray! That's the way it's supposed to go! Yay! Yay! Oh no. Oh no. A second trial? I have a feeling we're going to have a second trial. We've still got a lot of things that have not been resolved, but... let's save that for later. And wait, seriously, you're going to start a revolution, Dirk? Like, literally starting a revolution. That's not just a metaphor or talk. Yeah, I'm starting to feel like we are going to have another trial. And you know, before I finish this video, might as well talk about this case just a little bit in general. You know, I've had a day to think about it, and I'm going to go with my original assertion that I like this case. This is good. I like it. I have enjoyed it. I do admit that, yeah, it's kind of a rehash of the second Phoenix Wright game. They just repeated the storyline of Maya getting kidnapped and Phoenix forced to defend a murderer. But, you know, I still like this case, even if it's very similar to a previous one. I do think it was different in this case because, well, Phoenix was a prosecutor this time, and we were going up against Phoenix. And it's interesting, you think we could probably, like, do this trial in reverse, right? Like, we could play this entire case from Phoenix's point of view, and that would still be different and interesting. Oh, yeah. And talking about things that haven't been resolved, we've got to get the Holy Mother. We've got to get a spirit medium. Why is it not that easy? Just ask Maya. Didn't we get the true name at some point? What? Oh man, yeah, the Queen is never going to go along with this. Well, at least we've got this evidence updated. So, Dirk, what are you going to do now? Okay, try to figure out how the archaeologist got the orb. Makes sense. And who is his mysterious patron? My money is on the evil king. Yep, evil king. Going with evil king. Phoenix? Hey, Sarge. Aww, glad I made you happy. Yeah, poor Armie. Well, maybe you can go to the same orphanage as Apollo. It was a nice orphanage, right? So she can walk? Let's see it. Hooray! Aww, she looks so happy. Yay! Hey, Phoenix. You look kind of mad and upset. Everything okay with you? Everything okay with Maya? Safe for now. Oh no, she's back in Khura'in. Still being held hostage? No! The evil mastermind. Oh yeah. That's right. Paul Atishon was just a pawn. PAW was a PAWN. Well, it sounds like we are going to have to go over there and start a revolution. But shocking as that news was, it was only the beginning. The beginning of something big. Big enough to shake Khura'in to its core. A revolution. To be continued. Okay, so I think we're about halfway through case number 5. Keep watching. I'm going to tackle the second half of case 5, Turnabout Revolution.